How are we doing, guys? Absolutely beautiful clear day over these hills in northern England. Pendle Hill, frosty, little dusting of snow last night in places. You can't beat these places. When it's cold you get wrapped up. So just gonna have a little walk. Got a bit of lamb, might cook that up. Can't beat it, guys. Really stunning, guys. Absolutely beautiful day. Absolutely love it. Get yourself out of your camp, places like this. Doesn't cost much. Maybe a bit of fuel to get here, maybe a bit of something to eat. Love it. That is absolutely beautiful. It really is. Okay guys, so what I'm going to try and do is cook myself up some of this diced lamb. Over the moors, there's no wood, you've got this dead bracken fern, and the ground's very wet, it's been raining for weeks, so there's no danger there. The bracken fern is quite dry, so it's going to be the tiniest little fire, probably keep it going. These are going to be wrapped up and get them cooked, shouldn't take too long. So there we go, tiny, quick fire should cook this lamb in no time. Keeping it going a little bit. So this obviously is not the safest thing to do if it was dry on moorland, but it is wet through, absolutely wet through, and well away from any of this bracken fern. And when you're out and about, on these moors there's no wood really, so it's only option. I haven't brought the gas stove with me. So there we go guys, 5 minutes done. Slightly pink, that's how I like it, nice and juicy. So there's just a little snack. Lovely. Just an easy little day, little walk, little snack, cooked over these moors. Relaxing, doesn't cost much, get yourself out, it makes you feel great. Please do like, share and subscribe with this channel, please do. Leave me a comment, I'll always reply. Like I said, get yourself out. Beautiful nature. The world's your oyster guys. You lot take care. Speak soon.